Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HubSpot sequences to improve reply rates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard. Click on the sequences option from the sidebar. Choose the sequence you want to update. Review the current email templates in the sequence. Identify any emails that may seem generic or lack personalization. Edit these emails to include recipient-specific details. Consider adjusting the subject lines to be more enticing. Use A/B testing to compare different subject lines. Analyze past performance metrics to guide your changes. Incorporate a clear call to action in each email. Add value to your emails by including useful tips or resources. Ensure the tone aligns with your brand and resonates with your audience. Preview the updated emails to check for formatting and clarity. Save your changes to the sequence. Test the sequence by sending it to yourself or a colleague. Monitor the engagement and reply rates after the update. Make further adjustments based on the data you collect. Keep refining your sequences regularly for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.